Today we're going to be unboxing a watch from probably my all-time favorite smaller independent brand, Microbrand, whatever you like to call it. I just love the owner's creativity with his designs. This watch is quite limited and was released for the British Watchmakers Day event there a few days ago, limited to only 100 pieces, and they do tend to sell out fast. I will be doing a full video on the watch here too, but I wanted to get this out as quick as possible so you have the opportunity to pick one up if you decide you're interested in one. So let's get to it and take a look at the watch. All right, so let's just get right into it here. Wearing, by the way, it's pretty cool new release from RZE Watches. New GMT video on this will be coming soon, but let's see what we've got in the box here. And might be a giveaway kind of already here. Oh, got a little swag, I think. Oh, it's a bag. I thought it was a t-shirt there for a second. Little travel pouch. Isotope Watches. Looks like the watch comes with a spare band. All right. Paperwork. I think that's a wipe cloth down in the bottom there. Let me just reframe here because I'm quite zoomed out because the box was so big, and we'll get in for a closer look. All right, here we go. And there it is. Look at that beautiful blue dial. The box out of the way. Peel that plastic off. And this is the latest in the Hydrium line. This is called the Be Steel My Blue Heart. Get in for a closer look here. Love that handset. It's pretty cool. The gray matches the bead blasted case on the hands there. Nice winding action. The movement is a lander-on movement. Get rid of the sticker here. Nice looking movement. It's a high beat movement. This is gorgeous. Bezel action is crispy. Look at that. Zoom back out again here. I like the strap with the kind of orangish red backing. Matching buckle, matching finish to the case. And I think we've got another home run here from Isotope Watches. They've just done so many cool things with this Hydrium lineup. All of their watches are really nice, but I especially like the Hydrium. So many fun options, from watches like this to the Will Return. And yeah, this looks awesome with that bead blasted bezel. Losing focus there. So let's take a quick look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. And how good looking is that? Gorgeous watch. Didn't notice it at first, but the strap actually has blue stitch work there. Looks really good on the leather. I'll show you guys on both straps, the watch on both straps. When I do the next video on the watch, we'll get into all of the details. We'll talk a little bit more of the theme in that video too. Jose, the owner, always kind of goes with a theme for his watches, and this one's got a pretty cool one. So all of the details coming soon. If you're new to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss out. If you have any questions on the watch, go ahead and ask in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get to them in that full video. So that is it for today. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.